Well, we hope you're hungry because these sausages are now making history. They're the first products made from genetically edited pigs that have been cleared for humans to eat, and it's thanks to researchers at WSU. The team behind this has been working to secure approval for more than 10 years now, hoping to eventually change the way we produce our livestock.
WSU is the first university in the country to get this authorization from the FDA. 4 News Now's Natalie Grant visited the team at Pullman last week to see how these sausages could be the key to better feeding the growing human population.
Researchers at WSU are grilling up a solution.
We're estimated to hit 10 billion people, human population on the planet, by 2050. And to feed 10 billion people, we need to improve the efficiency of agricultural output by 60%.
That's where Professor Jon Oatley and his team come in. After years of research, they have developed a way to edit the genetics of pigs through a tool called a CRISPR. It allows them to pass along better traits like quality of meat and the ability to thrive in different environments and conditions, and it's now FDA approved.
If we don't devise strategies to improve the efficiency and resiliency of food production systems, whether it's plant production or animal production, then we're going to have a real challenge on our hands for the growing global population.
Now, it's important to note that while they are still altering genetics in their research here, it's not the same thing as a GMO. According to Professor Oatley, he says that the work that they're doing is much more modernized and much more natural than what you'd see in traditional genetic modification.
Those conventional strategies heavily use transgenesis. Transgenesis is the insertion of a piece of DNA, typically recombinant DNA, that could never have arisen in nature without humans putting it together in a lab. Genome editing with tools like CRISPRs can create changes in DNA that are changes that can and oftentimes do arise in nature.
And with the news of this authorization, Professor Oatley and his team celebrated their accomplishments by trying sausages made from the genetically edited pigs for the first time. The team giving rave reviews for the flavor, but also the future.
This technology is the future of how we need to feed people. There's no way we can do that without applying biotechnologies like genome editing.
Next, Oatley and his team hope to find the same success while researching cattle, sheep, and other livestock, and eventually have gene-edited animals incorporated into the food chain. Reporting in Pullman, Washington, Natalie Grant, 4 News Now. And guys, if everything goes according to plan here, Professor Oatley tells me that the gene-edited pigs could be incorporated into our food chain in the next decade or so.
Which seems so quick.
I know,
and
right?
As soon as we heard about this, there was a buzz in the newsroom, Natalie. I was a little grossed out, I'm going to be honest.
A little weary, understandable.
You tried it. So
I did.
Give us your review.
Yeah, I mean, it tasted just like any other sausage that you would make on the grill there. It had a little bit of spice. Yeah, nothing crazy at all. And, you know, the researchers there say that the pigs that they use this from were completely normal in any other way, except for those genetics that they specifically altered. Besides that, you'd never know.
And what if someone else wants to try it?
If you're brave enough, which I would recommend after trying it myself, I'm told that they are selling it at Cougar Quality Meats, which is located right there on campus in Pullman.
You can get your cheese and your sausage all in one stop.
A good summer dinner, it sounds like, right?
Chris, barbecue time, right?
You bet.